Good morning, everybody. Work life, dump life. What's up, Mag? What's up? Morning, Jags, Megan, Momo, Dark Park, Sheriff Hawks, Ruth, Judy, Benjamin, Lorenzo, Dorcas, Alexis, everybody. Hopefully, everyone's doing good. Redneck, aka Ken. Good morning, good morning. See what we got today, everybody. I can tell you right now, it's not much. Hopefully the back still looks good after we did all that cleaning. We have a tie bag, it feels like. Toys and, clothing and toys. And that. My girl will not be in today, she is sick. And there's a cardboard box. Nothing on the side. Alright, that's good. Well, we're supposed to be getting rain here soon. Hopefully. All the ponds in my neighborhood are low as I'll get out. So anyway, have a great day, everyone. I'll see y'all later.